Welcome back to Crack the Windows. Windows 11 Copilot is already installed on millions of laptops and PCs. But here's the problem: most users don't understand it, don't trust it, or are simply using it the wrong way. Today, I'll show you real, working Copilot hacks for power users. Not theory, not hype, but practical tricks that solve actual Windows 11 problems people face every day. So let's crack the Windows. Going to search and type Copilot. I have also a shortcut here at my taskbar. Also, there is a dedicated shortcut Ctrl+C to open Copilot. When you open Windows 11 Copilot, this is the main landing page you'll see. On the left side, you have the sidebar. This is where Microsoft places experimental features under Copilot Labs. And just below that, the conversation history section. If you're signed in with your Microsoft account, Copilot automatically saves your previous chats here, so you can come back to them anytime. If you're not signed in, you'll see a sign-in prompt, and in that case, conversations won't be saved. In the center, this large area is your main interaction zone. At the top, Copilot greets you and shows the Ask Anything box. This is where all commands, troubleshooting, and power user prompts are typed. Just below the input box, you'll notice quick action buttons like Write a first draft, Get advice, Learn something new, Create an image, Make a plan. These are shortcuts, but power users usually ignore these and type direct instructions instead. Now use direct action commands like Turn on Bluetooth. Copilot doesn't toggle everything automatically, but it takes you to the exact settings page instantly. Enable battery saver. This becomes extremely powerful as Microsoft keeps reorganizing settings in Windows 11 updates. Switch to dark mode. Copilot works best when you treat it as a troubleshooting guide, not a feature showcase. Open Advanced Display Settings. Instead of generic blog advice, Copilot explains the cause, points to the correct Windows setting, suggests safe fixes. This is one of the most searched Windows 11 use cases. Ask Copilot things like, why is my laptop not sleeping when LED is closed? For troubleshooting, Copilot is most effective as a diagnostic assistant. Fix high CPU usage in Windows 11. This reduces trial and error fixes and is especially useful when dealing with performance, power, or update-related issues in Windows 11. Why is Wi-Fi disconnecting automatically? This works very well for sleep and power issues, network instability, performance slowdowns, update-related behavior changes. For everyday users, this already feels like advanced troubleshooting. Ask Copilot CMD command to generate battery health report. This is where Copilot becomes a real assistant for power users. Here's the complete process command: how to get report. If you want to understand why your laptop's battery draining fast and not working as desired, check out my detailed video in the description below. Command to check disk errors. Copilot gives correct command, proper syntax, clear explanation. This prevents data loss, unnecessary reinstalls, random YouTube fixes. This eliminates googling, ROM syntax, and risky commands. Even experienced users benefit from this daily. This is one of the most powerful but ignored Windows tools. Go to Run, type Event Viewer, press Enter. Windows logs, system or application, Double-click any error or critical event. You'll see event ID, source, and description. Copy the error text, event ID, and source. Paste it into Copilot. You may ask, explain this Windows Event Viewer error in simple words and how to fix it safely. If this video helped you understand how Copilot actually helps in real life, subscribe to Crack the Windows. Copilot explains what caused it, whether it's serious, what component is involved, what you should or shouldn't do. This helps solve random restarts, driver failures, app crashes, sleep and wake issues. This alone can save hours of blind troubleshooting. Ask Copilot how to optimize Windows 11 performance safely. Here is the solution. Improve boot time in Windows 11. Copilot avoids dangerous registry hacks, outdated tweaks, unsupported tricks. Instead, it focuses on startup apps, background permissions, power settings, visual effects. This is especially useful after big Windows updates in 2026. Many users worry about AI privacy. Ask Copilot, what data does Copilot use? Here's all the details. Now ask how to limit Copilot permissions. Here's the way. Copilot guides you to privacy settings, personalization controls, AI toggles. This allows you to use Copilot without losing control, which builds trust with AI tools. Windows Update errors are one of the biggest pain points in Windows 11. When Windows Update fails, copy the error code or the update name, open Copilot and ask, explain this Windows Update error and how to fix it safely. Copilot explains what the error actually means, tells whether it's driver-related, service-related, or temporary. Suggests correct fixes like restarting specific services, running built-in troubleshooters, or clearing update cache safely. This step alone solves a real-world problem millions of users face. Use Copilot for summarizing long text, drafting emails, rewriting content professionally, creating task lists. This is how Copilot is meant to be used, quietly assisting in the background. Copilot is not here to replace skills. It's here to amplify them. The more precise your input, the better the output. Thank you for watching.